The hose allows you to attach your drywall sander to a vacuum for dust collection. The hose has a unique end that is specifically designed to attach to the fitting on the drywall sander. The hose is an anti-static type, so dust in your workspace is less likely to stick to it. Replacing the hose is simple to do, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the old hose from the sander. The hose is secured with this clamping fitting. I'll unscrew it, and then I can pull the hose away from the fitting. The fitting is made up of a plastic collar with a copper ring. When you tighten up the collar, it compresses the copper ring, which tightens around this metal ring on the hose. Now install the new hose. I want to make sure the hose is pushed firmly into the fitting, and then I tighten up the collar. And that's how simple it is to install a new hose on your drywall sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.